Deep in the heart of the tropics, a symphony of life unfolds. The rainforest is a living, breathing entity, teeming with an incredible array of flora and fauna. Emerald green canopies stretch towards the sky, sunlight dappling the forest floor. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing dance of colors. Waterfalls cascade with a roar, their mist feeding 1,000 shades of green. The sound of rushing water is a constant, soothing presence in this vibrant ecosystem. This is the rainforest, a place of vibrant beauty. Every corner is alive with color, from the bright plumage of birds to the vivid hues of flowers. But beneath the surface, a darker drama plays out. The undergrowth is a world of shadows where danger lurks unseen. A world of predators and prey, locked in an eternal dance of survival. Each day is a battle, a struggle for existence. And in this world, a silent killer stalks the shadows. Predators move with stealth and precision, ever watchful for their next meal. The air hangs heavy with humidity. Alive with the scent of damp earth and blooming orchids, the atmosphere is thick, almost tangible. Insects hum and chirp, their calls echoing through the dense undergrowth. They are the unseen orchestra, providing a constant soundtrack to the forest. This is a world of extraordinary biodiversity. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every species has its place. Each creature, however small, plays a crucial role in the rainforest's delicate balance. The interdependence of life here is a marvel of nature, but this balance is about to be disrupted by a master manipulator. Forces beyond the forest are at play, threatening to change this world forever. Hidden amongst the fallen leaves, in the damp and shadowy undergrowth of the rainforest and decaying wood, a strange and fascinating organism thrives, often unnoticed by the casual observer. This is Cordyceps, a genus of parasitic fungi with a taste for the macabre, known for its eerie ability to control its host. Invisible to the naked eye, its spores lie in wait, carried on the breeze, drifting silently through the forest air. They are searching for a host, an unsuspecting insect call their own, a new vessel for their life cycle. Imagine, if you will, a single spore landing on the exoskeleton of an ant. A seemingly insignificant event. It's a chance encounter, a tiny seed of fate planted in the vastness of the rainforest, setting the stage for a dramatic transformation. But this tiny spore holds the potential for a horrifying transformation, one that will change the ant's fate forever. For the ant, it is the beginning of the end as the Cordyceps takes over, turning it into a vessel for its own growth. The spore, finding a foothold, burrows through the ant's tough exterior. It infiltrates the ant's body, a silent invasion from within. Inside, the fungus begins to grow, feeding on the ant's tissues, but carefully avoiding vital organs. The ant, oblivious to the danger, continues its daily routine, but the fungus is not simply content with consuming its host. It has a far more sinister plan. As it grows, it releases chemicals, powerful mind-altering substances that begin to hijack the ant's nervous system. The ant, once a vital part of its colony, is now a puppet, dancing to the tune of a parasitic puppet master. Section 4, from insect to puppet. The ghastly transformation, the ant's behavior becomes erratic. It twitches and stumbles, no longer in control of its own body. The fungus compels the ant to climb higher and higher away from the safety of the forest floor. It seeks a vantage point, a place where the fungus can spread its spores far and wide. Finally, the ant reaches its destination, clamping its mandibles onto a leaf or stem with unnatural force. It is a gruesome sight, this macabre tableau. The ant, frozen in place, becomes the platform for the fungus's final act. Section 5. Nature's horror. Science's wonder, unraveling the mechanisms. Through the ant's exoskeleton, a stalk erupts, piercing through its body with an eerie precision, a grotesque monument to the fungus's victory. This is not just a simple infection, it's a complex and calculated takeover. This fruiting body, filled with spores, is the culmination of the fungus's life cycle and will soon release its deadly payload into the wind, spreading its influence far and wide. Ready to infect a new generation of victims, the spores drift through the air, invisible yet lethal. Scientists are only beginning to understand the complex mechanisms at play. The more they uncover, the more questions arise. How does the fungus manipulate the ant's behavior with such precision? What signals does it send to control its host? The answers lie in the chemical cocktail the fungus produces. This mix of compounds is both fascinating and terrifying. It's a potent mix, affecting the ant's brain chemistry, disrupting its neurotransmitters and altering its very nature, and essentially turning it into a zombie. The ant becomes a puppet, its strings pulled by the fungal invader. And so the cycle continues, an endless loop of infection and control, a chilling reminder of the hidden horrors that lurk in the natural world. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly understand.